Morning guys, we are cooking, this is like brunch, it's gone 10 in the morning, Kimmy's had to sleep in, she just got up. Alright, so I'm doing like a poached egg thingy, and I've got some ham, and I'm making up a little concoction here. Alright, so that's just a cut up tomato. I've already took the water on for the poached eggs, so just a little bit of onion I want in with this. I want it quite small. It can all be mixed in now, because it doesn't matter how much I make the chopping of that. And I've got a bit of avocado there, so I'm going to make like a paste. I need a bit of salt and pepper, but that's about it really. Okay, so I've got my bowl here. Don't think I'm going to need that onion. Now Jen's already up and done her shit, so she had herself poached eggs with half an avocado, so we're going to have the rest of the avocado. Looks a bit skank, but avocados are fine. This is new, so new as in only bought it the other day. So we don't care that it looks a bit brown. We don't care. It's nice and soft. And just because it looks brown, mate, if you eat avocados, you know that's going to happen. So all that is going to go in there. I'm going to mix all that in. Okay, now we've got to put our eggs on. I've already sprayed them with this. Make sure you've got canola spray and not fly spray. So we're going to do 4 because I want to eat too. Got to watch that steam in the middle there. Oh, it gets you. See where the hole is in the middle? That hole there. That can be a force to be reckoned with. Nothing worse than a steam burn. Okay, so this one goes on here. They won't take long. Alright, so a bit more spray here because I've got some ham. I want to just cook. I'm going to cut up another tomato that I've got here. Kimmy likes her tomatoes. You want about 1 centimetre thick, half a centimetre. Even, can be good. This knife is blunt, man. I need to use a sharper knife. Alright, so we're going to throw them on. Should I get another one? Where are my tomatoes? The fridge is looking a bit skank. So is my knife. Let's get another one. Oh shit. Let's see if this is any better. Yeah, much better. There we go. Good. I'll put these on, that's the toast. Eggs are done. That and that can go away. Oh, should I cook a bit of onion? No, we don't want the onion. Okay. Salt and pepper. Salt. And pepper. And we got some ham here. Some ham. Well, this ham is so good. This ham's nice, honey. Ah. You like it?
No, it's alright.
Well, come on now. What are you watching?
I'm just... I had a more get the task.
Vegas Matt.
Yeah, great as that.
I always lose on that machine.
Yeah, I know.
I like it.
Yeah, I know you do.
Are we going gambling? How are these looking? Yeah, that's about done. They can go off. So we're just waiting on the toast really now. It's quick. Actually, I'll just use my knife to do the thing and then I'll keep it. So I'll take them out to Kymmy. Hey babe, grab these.
Okay, so Hako.
I got my knife already. God, I can eat this ham. Right, tongs. I can't find my tongs. Are they in here? Damn it. Obviously I plan everything. Alright, we've got some toast happening. Oh, I haven't opened that one. Oh, I can't get it. I cut my bloody finger. See my little cut? Like a paper cut. I don't even know why I did that. Butter's just crazy, so, because I don't care. Now, I like a little bit of... I can't open this. Of course I can't. Have you used one of these things? To open your... Which way am I going? No, this way. I was right the first time. See, it grabs onto it somehow or another. Maybe it grabs. No. There we go. Bit of cheese spread. Just a little bit. Oh, it's good. Alright, I'll look at that. That's going to be my one anyway. Alright, so these are ready. See, we're going to put the... Need a big spoon. Yep, that's ready to go. One. Just loose. The spray makes it so it's so much easier to do. Two. Just put them in the middle. Right. Beautiful. What do you think? Look all right? Okay, that's off, that's off. Okay, now this. Actually, I'm going to put the ham on first, I think. Oh, I can just use my fingers, bugger it. God, it looks fucking disgusting. I know it'll taste yummy though. Cool. Put some water in there. Oh yeah, a bit of a kicker with the onion. Now I want some extra tomato. Wrong. Where's that fork I had? I'll just put that to the side. It sounds like Vegas Matt's winning the other room. Should we go gambling today? I don't think so. Alright, I need to put that away. I'll just do a quick one. Putting it away and then I'll come and wrap that up later. That and that. That is it. That is it, babe. Let's go and see what Jen. See, I cooked with Jenny last day. Let's go see what Kymmy thinks. Here we go, babe. I want to see what you think.
What I think, you always make delicious food. Oh, wow. Wow, looks awesome, baby. Thank you.
That's your knife, that's my knife. That's it. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Yeah, well, that's our brunch. Thanks, guys.